Look, look, look! What have you done? Oh my God! Fight! هل من ناصر ينصرنا؟ Hold fast! We ride this out! It works.
They did it. They are flying.
Our revolution is a testament to the enduring spirit of our people. I can't. Move!
Good morning.
Freiheit! Endlich Freiheit! Ready. Yes!
Hello, my dear followers. We are living in the age of advertising, so come and buy this product because I am beautiful.
Cut! That was perfect.
This process involves culturing pluripotent stem cells in a bioreactor environment, then introducing specific
Hello friends, and welcome back to another video from AI Border. I'm sure everyone here is curious to know how I created the introduction for this video. This one is a little longer than usual, but I strongly recommend you stay with me until the end, because I'm going to show you a really valuable idea. Before I introduce the magical tool, let me share something exciting. A few days ago, I used this very tool to create an ASMR video of a turtle eating fruits. If you haven't seen it yet, I highly suggest you check it out and see the quality for yourself. And here's a secret. There's a YouTube channel called Animal ASMR that uploads turtle ASMR videos. That channel has 2.12 million subscribers, more than many famous singers. If you look at their view counts, you'll find videos with 32 million, 16 million, 12 million, 10 million views, and countless others in the millions. Now, I won't tell you exactly how much money these videos generate, but it's safe to say that with millions of views, the creators are definitely earning a solid income. Now let's move on to the magical AI tool that lets you create high-quality ASMR videos or cinematic intros like the one you just saw and ride the wave of YouTube trends and algorithms. That tool is ChatLLM, which integrates APIs from some of the world's most powerful video and image generation platforms. It's very simple to use. Just click on More in the prompt bar, then select Video Generation. ChatLLM includes APIs from tools such as Seedance Pro, Halo 2, Wand 2.2, Kling AI V 2.1, Runway, Veo 3, Veo 2, and Topaz Upscaler. For example, I created the intro for this video and the turtle ASMR using Veo 3, which can generate videos with sound. Keep in mind, however, that this service consumes more credits than the others, but the quality is outstanding. exactly like what you saw in the opening. That's why I recommend testing each tool to see which delivers the best results for your own projects. To demonstrate, let's start with Kling AI V 2.1. I'll paste the following prompt into the prompt box, scroll down, and adjust the duration from 5 seconds to 10 seconds. Then simply click Generate, and let's watch the result together. Now let's generate the second prompt with Kling AI and review the results together. Next, let's move on to High-Low 2. I'll switch the mode from Standard to Pro, then scroll down and change the video duration from 6 seconds to 10 seconds. Let's generate and watch the result. I'll repeat the same steps for the second prompt. Paste it in, adjust the mode and duration, and hit Generate. Let's check out the results together. Finally, let's test the most powerful option, Veo 3. Keep in mind, it consumes more credits than other tools, but the quality is unmatched. I'll paste the first prompt, switch the mode from fast to standard, and generate. Then I'll do the same with the second prompt. Paste it in, set the mode to standard, and generate. Now, let's put all three results side by side and compare their quality. This way, you'll get a clear picture of what each tool can deliver. And the best part, you have access to all of them, so you can decide which one gives the best results for each prompt. Thank you so much for staying with me in this video. If you found this tutorial helpful, please support the channel with a like and a subscribe. I'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.